Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly find your profile page on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're new to Instagram on desktop or just adjusting to the new layout, these steps will help you access your profile in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Instagram feed, where you can see posts from the people and pages you follow. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Look for the profile icon. It usually appears as a small circle or silhouette, often with your profile picture inside it. This icon is typically located near the bottom of the menu, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. Instantly, you'll be taken to your personal profile page. Here, you can view your profile picture, your username, and your bio at the top of the page. Just below, you'll find all the posts you've shared, displayed in a neat grid. This is your space to showcase your photos, videos, and stories to anyone who visits your page. From your profile page, you can do much more than just browse. If you want to update your profile information, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually right next to your username. Clicking this allows you to change your bio, update your profile photo, or add links to other social media accounts or your website. You'll also notice options to view your followers, see who you're following, and check out saved posts. If you want to explore more settings or insights, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the upper corner of your profile page. This menu gives you access to additional features, including privacy settings and account management tools. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you can easily find and browse your Instagram profile page on PC, thanks to the new update. Take a moment to explore your profile, make any changes you need, and enjoy connecting with your audience right from your computer.